Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren Kidd. I'm a business and success coach for the busy mompreneur. I teach moms how to start, run, and scale their online businesses while being present in their kids' lives. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're coming back for a new visit, welcome back. I'm so glad that you guys are here. If you haven't already done so though, hit subscribe. New videos come out every Monday. I am here to make your mompreneur life easier. I'm here to help you get clients. I'm here to help you not lose your sanity while raising the babies and running your business. Today, I want to talk about how to use Facebook groups to book more sales calls. It's possible. Facebook groups are not dead. You get out of them what you put into them. So that's what we're going to talk about today. It is super important to your business because your clients are hanging out in Facebook groups. Believe it or not, they're waiting there, waiting for you to come and talk to them. So this is what I like to call borrowing other people's audience. Also, for those of you who have sent me a message about why don't you just open up your curtains? You've got beautiful natural light coming in here because I have an air conditioner right here. Don't ask me why they put an air conditioner in the front of our house. I have no idea. That is not something that I want in the background. And that is something that I really want fixed at some point. So thank you for those who have noticed that I have no natural light. For those of you who have beautiful natural light in your videos, I'm so jealous. But that answers your question. I don't know why. I get that question a lot. They're like, I see beautiful light. Just open it and let the sunshine come in. Sorry, guys. No. All right, back to today's topic. An easy way to borrow other people's audience. First and foremost, it's an easy way to get in front of people. Okay, your ideal client is hanging out in your Facebook group, your friends' Facebook groups, other business groups. You obviously need to make sure that when you're in other people's Facebook groups, you are following their group rules. No ladder posts if they don't accept ladder posts. Those are tacky if done all the time. If done right, they can be really beneficial and really tasteful, but make sure that you are following group rules. For instance, let's say in Successful Mom Entrepreneurs, #Mommy's on a mission. If you're not in that group, go ahead. I linked it below. You should be there. It's so much fun. I want to have you in there. I allow group promos on Tuesdays in the promo thread. The group used to be completely promo whatever all the time, and it got very spammy, and it no longer felt like a good community. So we allow promos every Tuesday at 1 p.m., promo once, promo twice, promo a million times. I don't care what you have to promo. I want to see it all, but promo in the promo thread. We also have promo threads on Saturday for your social media sites. Again, this is not limited to one. There are a lot of groups out there like, you can only share one group. Do you run your business on only one group? No, you run your business on multiple platforms, and you should be able to be seen by your specific audience on whatever platform it is they feel comfortable. So if you only get to share Facebook, and let's say your ideal client's like, dude, I want to be hanging out on YouTube. They want to be able to find your YouTube channel. You should be linking it with all of your other sites, but that's a topic for another day. So be sure that you are being respectful when you are borrowing other people's audience. Secondly, when you're in other people's groups, knowledge is power, and you want to be sure that you are offering high value to your ideal client and not simply coming across as spammy and annoying and, oh my God, I am so cool. I am the most amazing person on the planet. You should totally buy my stuff because, look at me. No, don't do that. Okay, don't do that. There are a lot of people out there doing that. Stop following them. It's really tacky. Do they make sales? Yeah. Do they make long-term clients? No, because it's fake, it's gross, no one likes it. Okay, so be genuine. Make sure that you are providing high value. So there's two things that you need to know when it comes to borrowing other people's audience. If you haven't already done so, I've got a free handout for you. Stand out online. It's linked below. Get everyone's attention. And by everyone, I mean everybody in your ideal audience section. Okay? No, this does not mean everybody. This means everybody that you want to be talking to. Stand out in front of them. It's free. Go grab it. I teach a lot. Okay, so how do you use, shut up, Lauren, stop talking. How do you use Facebook groups to book more sales calls? Number one, and this is probably the most important step, use a photo of yourself. Stop using the stock photos. They are really great, especially infographics are really, 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 really great sometimes. But when you are trying to share high value and you're trying to get people's attention and you are trying to let them connect with, oh, I don't know, you, it's a really good idea to show your face. You don't have to be full face. You don't have to be full hair, full makeup, full whatever. 9 times out of 10, guys, you're going to see me in a black shirt with no makeup on. I have not a stitch of makeup on. This is my quarantine look. No, this is my everyday look. This is me, though. This is what you get when you work with me. You get a real human being who really cares. That's it. If you are a person who's all done up all the time, then by all means, share that, because that's what your ideal client is going to connect with. Okay, just smile, share a photo of yourself, be genuine, and show up, because your people are ready to connect with you. So the very first tip about booking more sales calls is use your face. Let them see who it is that they're connecting with. Again, yes, your infographic is going to be super cool and informative, but I don't know who I'm going to get when I work with them. Maybe I'm not even going to mesh with you. I mean, if you've got like face tattoos and one of them says, love Satan across your forehead, I certainly don't want to be your best friend. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with your choices or preferences. This is not a bashing YouTube channel. What I am saying is that we're probably not going to mesh. So I want to be able to see your face. So does your ideal client. Number 2, grab their attention in the first line. So whatever it is that you're sharing, whatever it is that you're offering, whatever it is that you are putting out there, even if it's high value, grab their attention in the first line. Okay, so think about what grabs your attention. Is it like, oh my gosh, I was having a day and blah, 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 and then blah, 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 and then 20 minutes later, it finally gets to the point? No, that's not what grabs your attention. What's going to grab your attention? An income statement. Hey, do you want to know how I made $10,000 in 24 hours? Hey, guess what I made last quarter? These aren't braggy posts. They can be. There are people who use them as a braggy post. But a lot of times people genuinely want to get your attention because they want you to know that you can do it too. Do you want to know how I made $60,000 in January? I want to show you how. That's why I'm here. Who doesn't want to make $60,000 in a month? That's what people make in a year. That's what I used to make in a year. You can make it. It's just a matter of getting there, okay? Does it happen overnight? No. But you can make it happen. Another thing that might grab their attention, a quick one-liner, a solution. For me, content can be super easy. Here's how. Oh my God. Do you know how many conversations I've started with that one-liner? That is mine. If I see you using it, it's mine. I love it. I teach content. It's mine. Get your own one-liner. Don't steal. Be original. But that gets people's attention. Maybe you're a sex therapist. Maybe you're an accountant. Hey, did you know that you can deduct all of these things and not have to pay Uncle Sam? That's an attention grabber. Use it. Use something that's going to grab their attention in the first sentence. Another one might be a statement about XYZ. Did you know that chickens can't fly? I know that chickens can't fly, but you would be amazed at how many people don't know that chickens can't fly. Who knew? It's an attention grabber. So that's what you want to do. You want to create content that is going to show stop, if you will. That is going to grab their attention, that's going to stop their scroll, that's going to make them go, I'm going to need to keep reading because I need to know exactly what it is that she's talking about. So what is the third thing that you need to be doing to land more sales calls from Facebook group posts? What do you want on the phone? And why should they talk to you? Why do they want to get on the phone call with you? Why do they want to even consider working with you? Tell them. So you've shown them your pretty face. You stopped their scroll with your awesome one-liner. Yeah, you read that right. But now you need to know. Now they need to know what it is that they're going to get from you. What is the benefit to them? Because let's be honest, when it comes to a sales conversation, it is all about them. There is no part of it that has anything to do with you. It is about what they are going to get. What's going to benefit their time best. Is it even worth their time to book a call with you? So sometimes this is going to look like, are you a new mom? Wondering what the next steps to regaining your physical and mental confidence might be. That could be a sales tone. That's going to make them want to get on the phone with you. I'm going to read these because these are long. Hey, business coaches, are you looking to stand out on social media, but you're tired of being chained to your device? Hello, who isn't tired of being chained to their device? That's one that I use all the time because moms don't have time to sit in front of the computer 24/7. Sure, you gotta sit in front of the computer to make some money. Does it have to be 24/7? Do you need to be sending every single email yourself? No. Do you want to stop being chained to your device? Yes. Let me show you how. It's going to get people too. Are you a new entrepreneur who is looking for clarity, or what should be an eye-catching website? This is something that one of my clients uses. They want to give you clarity through your website so that your ideal client is like, duh. They want to help you build your website. It's going to be a showstopper. It does stop shows. So in this area, what you're doing is you're narrowing down what it is you're going to help them do by getting on that call with you. You're going to solve this problem when they get on the call with you. You're speaking specifically to your ideal person. Like I said, you don't simply want to hop on a call with everybody, so you want to weed out the people that you don't want to talk to. People who are, not looking for a website designer, or not looking for an accountant, or not looking for coaching, or not looking for, whatever it is that you don't do. You want to weed out those people. It's not meaning that you're going to leave money on the table. It means that you're not going to waste your time or theirs by getting on a call when it's not suited, when it's not mutually beneficial. So don't waste your time. So you need to tell them why getting on the phone is worth their time, because that's what they're interested in. So show me your face. Grab their attention. Tell them what they're going to get by getting on the phone call with you. Number 4, ask them to drop an emoji, a GIF, however you say it, a yes, please, more info below to schedule a call, because you do not want to simply give them your link. That does not engage them in conversation. That is not enticing them to be like, hey, I would like more info about this, because even if they don't necessarily book a call, they might have a chat conversation with you and it could spur a relationship. So don't provide them that schedule link. Let them drop an emoji. Plus, it's fun. It shows their personality when they're dropping a GIF, the thing that moves. Don't judge me, I'm old. But there are a lot of questions that will be missed if you're simply just giving them a link. It's also not encouraging new people to drop an info or drop a comment or drop a whatever. So you're not even going to see the people who are simply scrolling past. They want more info. You've said you're going to solve this problem for them. You look really cool. They're like, hey, this chick's really awesome. I might want to do this. Some of my clients have dropped like a cha-ching when they want more info. That's how I've gotten some of them. They're like, bah, bah, bah. It's fun. It's just fun. Ask them to drop something so that you can then send them a message personally inviting them to a phone call. It also allows that connection to be opened. Number 5, share. I can't stress this enough. Get in your favorite groups and share. You've got a picture. You've got high value. You're going to tell them why they should be getting on the call and why it's beneficial. You're going to do something fun. Drop a GIF, drop a whatever. I'm just going to go with GIF. Drop it below. You're going to have a lot of fun, but you got to be out there sharing it. Remember what I said at the beginning. You only get out of Facebook groups what you put in to Facebook groups. So if you're not in there daily, or you're not in there weekly, or you're not in there monthly, you're not going to get back daily, weekly, or monthly. Okay? It does not mean that you need to spend hours on Facebook. My entire social media daily business tasks take maybe 30 minutes. Set a timer. Get in, engage, get out, check back. Ta-da, that's it. I can get in, I can do my initial post, I can do my initial helping in a matter of 15 minutes, and then later in the day I go back and I help again. Easy peasy 30 minutes. I don't like social media. I am a huge introvert. If I can avoid social contact in any form, I do. So, but I run a business that is based on me talking to people daily. So, I know, call me weird. Anyway, the 6th tip I've got for you for booking more calls with Facebook is check back. Okay? You have to share, and then you got to check back. That's a mouthful. So don't get me wrong. There are cases where people jump on the phone and they're like, hell yeah, let's do this. Let's start now. But it normally takes 90 days. Okay? That's between 6 and 7 checks backs with a person. So you've opened that line of communication. You asked them to drop the GIF. They've gotten on a chat with you. You've invited them to a call. It normally takes between 6 and 7 check backs for them to be like, yeah, I'm 100% ready. For them to go from a really cool lead to a signed client. This is not an overnight process, but you are going to book a ton more sales calls, what does that mean? That could lead to a second call or a third call or an immediately signed client. I have jumped on calls recently with people who have met me through other groups. I had no idea who they were, and they're like, "You are my people." And I'm like, "I think you're my people too." And they've signed immediately. I've also had regular clients now who have taken 2 years to sign because they're just not sure it's going to happen. You have to be patient, but you have to share, share, share. Now, again, I'm not of the opinion, and I'm not advising you to go out and tell your people to go out and take a credit card loan, or to take a loan from a friend or a family member, or to take out a personal loan from a bank in order to work with you. I think that is disgusting. I don't ever recommend it. Ever. If somebody is on a sales call with me and they're like, I just don't know if that's financially going to work. Okay, cool, not a problem. I do not push sales. And I promise you that is why my business has lasted and has succeeded to the limits that it is now. I work with moms. Moms don't have $3,000, $6,000, $12,000 to drop on a dime. It's just not realistic. What I do when I'm talking to somebody and we're a mesh and they really, really want that, what we do is we set a planned date for them to start in a realistic time frame for them to accrue the money that it's going to take for us to work together. And throughout those next however long it's going to take, we have conversations. I'm still helping. I'm still providing value. I'm still there for them along their journey. Yes, it's free on my part, but in the end, what matters is that they're going to get the benefit, and that's what matters. That's what you should be focusing on, is your client's success. It should never be about your success. Do not advise people to take out a credit card loan to work with you. It's gross. Okay? Don't do it. Be genuine. Be authentic. If you wouldn't want somebody to be like, you're not going to succeed unless you invest right now, then don't do it to your clients. Okay? Okay. End rant. Anywho, check back with people because, again, like I said, it takes about 90 days to close a cool lead to a signed client. So do not lose hope. You have to check back, check back. What do you do then? You wash, rinse, repeat, and do it all again. So if you guys don't already know, I have the hottest list of what groups that you should be in for 2020. I'll also drop that link below. You can find it there. You can check it out. You can get into these groups. You can start sharing high value. A lot of them allow just promotions on their page. Some do promotions in the thread. A lot of them encourage high value shares. So that's where you need to be. That's where you need to be hanging out. That's how you book more sales calls with Facebook groups. Again, reminder, you get out what you put in. So be consistent, be consistent, be consistent. I'll see you guys next Monday, right back here. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll see you then. Bye.